The existing grinder undermined working environment and workers' health as dust particles produced during grinding operation and substances removed from metal surface float in the air. In order to address such problems, Inwootech developed a vacuum surface grinder which collects dust using vacuum. The vacuum surface grinder provides a solution to a series of foreign substances produced from metal surface and dust particles from rotating grinding wheel. Surface flap wheel sanding and dust collecting robot developed by Inwootech consists of inverter for driving system, grinding system and grinding wheel, vertical movement motor and reduction gear, cable hanger, dust collection box, dust collecting cyclone, dust collecting ring blower, switch and integrated controller and electrical control panel. In addition, TFT LCD screen with touch is attached. The display shows the level of control and state of grinder robot. Grinding mode, moving mode, test run mode, state of grinding and dust collecting box can be checked as well. In addition, the height and speed of the grinding system are controlled. What's more, other functions can be added according to control method. Touch the operation button on HMI display. Grinding and dust collecting operation will begin in the following procedure. First, initial location of grinding wheel is checked. If the grinding wheel is not at the top position, the wheel will be moved to the top position. Grinding system is moved up and down to the grinding surface of proper vertical position and the motor is driven. Then, the grinding wheel motor placed on the grinding system will begin operation. As for determining proper grinding height, displacement sensor and driving current of inverter for driving system on the grinding wheel is used. Through this procedure, how worn the grinding wheel is will be perceived. Then, the grinding system's height is controlled to keep grinding efficiency consistent. When the grinding surface height is determined, ring blower, dust collecting motor, and clutch will be operated. If the grinding system reaches the grinding surface height, traveling motor will be operated. Driving, grinding, and dust collecting are carried out in this order. Inwootech surface flap wheel sanding and dust collecting robot performs dust collecting operation according to the following process. With the rotation of grinding flap wheel, dust particles generated at the surface being swept backward and the strong vacuum suction force of the ring blower is delivered through the cyclone. Then, swept dust particles are sucked into the cyclone. Due to centrifugal force, heavy dust particles are collected in the dust box. In this case, the separated air from dust particles through the cyclone is exhausted back through the ring blower. Then, the exhaust air is passed through the silencer and the filter further. To sense any obstacles forward, 3 ultrasonic sensor and 1 motion sensor are installed on the front of the grinder robot. When the robot senses the human body, the stop mode is being performed in the vicinity of 50 to 70 centimeters from the human body. When the robot senses the obstacles, not the body, the stop mode is being performed in the vicinity of 30 centimeters from the obstacle. Once the obstacle is removed, the robot goes back to the original driving mode and continues the work. Inwootech's surface flap wheel sanding and dust collecting robot prevents the robot from moving in a diagonal manner when cumulative error takes place according to the state and gradient of the floor. Thus, attached motion sensor on distributing board maintains a straight driving. In addition, the cumulative position error is corrected by controlling the speed of left and right driving motor. As well as, it is very easy to change the grinding wheel, one of consumables. The robot is designed to facilitate the management of consumables and maintenance. The weight of the dust box is measured with load cell. If the weight exceeds the reference value, warning alarm sound is made to inform the user that the dust box is filled. Then the dust collection box can be separated and emptied. Finally, It is easy to move the surface flap wheel sanding and dust collecting robot while it is plugged. The robot can be also moved manually when it is not plugged as the clutch is off. Inwootech's surface flap wheel sanding and dust collecting robot has the health protection of workers as well as high efficiency. The robot resolves the problem of dustiness and grinding operation with enhanced quality at the same time and provides efficient grinding operation environment.